Another gentleman who was a big part of my early career in music was the king of country music. His name was Roy Acuff, and his band, the Smoky Mountain Boys. The first time I appeared for the Grand Ole Opry as an artist, Mr. Acuff came and stood at the edge of the stage to watch me share for the Grand Ole Opry. I want to share with you one of his signature songs, and we'll get Ryan to help me out here. From the great Atlantic Ocean to the wide Pacific shore, from the queen of the flowing mountains to the Southland by the shore, she's mighty tall and handsome, she's known quite well by all. She's the combination on the Wabash Cannonball. Oh, listen to the jingle, the rumble and the roar, as she glides along the woodlands through the hills by the shore. Hear the mighty rush of the engine, hear the lonesome hobo squall, as riding through the jungle on the Wabash Cannonball. Play it on that piano. Eastern states are dandy, so the people always say. From New York to St. Louis and Chicago, by the way. From the hills of Minnesota, where the rippling waters flow, no changes can be taken on the Wabash Cannonball. We listen to the jingle, the rumble and the roar, as she glides along the woodlands through the hills by the shore. Hear the mighty rush of the engine, hear the lonesome hobo squall, as you're traveling through the jungle on the Wabash Cannonball. Daddy Claxton, may his name forever stand, and always be remembered in the courts of Alabama. His earthly days are over and the curtain around him falls, as they carry him home to victory on the Wabash Cannonball. We'll listen to the jingle, the rumble and the roar, as she glides along the woodlands through the hills by the shore. Rush of the engine, hear the lonesome hobo squall, as we're traveling through the jungle on the Wabash Cannonball.